Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Ribbon interface in Creo Parametric. Understanding the ribbon is key to working efficiently. By the end of this video, you will know how to navigate tabs, use shortcuts, and leverage the command search tool like a pro. So let's get started. The ribbon interface in Creo Parametric replaces the traditional menu with dynamic and task-oriented layout located at the top of the screen. It organizes tools into tabs like Home, Model, and Analysis. The file menu contains essential system commands like saving file, managing session, and setting your working directory. Tabs change based on your task, like when I open or create a new part. You can see new tabs here like Model, Analysis, Live Simulation, and Annotate. So, if you are sketching a part, the Model tab appear with the relevant tools like datum creation and extrusion. The command search feature found near the help center lets you type the keywords to locate commands instantly. Once you create a part or open a new part, the Model tab takes over the offering tool for sketching, datum creation, and feature like extrude and revolve. You can see when you expand the datum group, you can access the additional commands like curve, references, graph, ribbon, and other commands. When you switch to analysis command, here you can see the tool related to measurement. Here you can check the dimensions of model. The view tab controls the display settings, letting you toggle between shades and wireframe models. Each tab adopts your task, so experiment as you work. You can speed up your workflow with keyboard shortcuts, pressing and releasing the Alt key to reveal the shortcut letters in the ribbon. For example, when you press Alt, you can see shortcut keys. By pressing A, you will jump to Analysis tab. In Analysis tab, if you want to measure dimensions, simply click ME and jump to Measure tool. Here, press MD. You can see the measure dimension dialog box opened and measure diameter is by default selected. Now click the feature or hole to measure the diameter. The command search is even the more powerful. Clicking the magnify glass icon and type the keyword like GR and watch the result filter. Hover over a result and Creo highlights the command's location in the ribbon. If you want to tweak how search works, click Setup to adjust criteria like begin with or contains for precise results. Here in this window, you can change the search criteria. Remember, keep your workplace clutter-free by closing unusual files and erasing non-displayed models. This completes the tutorial. With these tips, you will navigate tabs, shortcuts, commands with confidence. Thanks for watching. See you next time.